Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Remodel Your Bathroom for Easy Maintenance. Let's face it, folks. Everybody loves a polished bathroom, but who loves spending endless weekends scrubbing grout and chasing rogue water spots? Not me, that's for sure. So, how do you create an oasis that practically takes care of itself? Today, we're diving into the art of no-fuss bathroom design that's as effortless to maintain as your grandma's one-pot casserole. First on our hit list, tiles. Opt for larger tiles wherever possible. Walls, floors, and even showers. Why, you ask? Larger tiles equal fewer grout lines huns. And less grout equals fewer nooks for mildew to throw its tiny pool party. Porcelain and ceramic are your best pals here. They're sturdy, non-porous, and game for whatever life, or your kids, throws in the ring. Now how about showers? Walk-in models with built-in drainage and smooth surfaces are more user-friendly than your smart fridge. They cut down on cleaning time substantially, no doors to squeegee or tracks to floss out. It's akin to outfitting your shower with its own butler. Next, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Have someone install fixtures like touchless faucets and self-cleaning toilets. They might sound futuristic, but they save time and keep things more pristine than a braggart's new car. And speaking of fixtures, go for the wall-mounted kind. They don't just look slick, like they wandered off a high-end magazine shoot, but they make cleaning the floor beneath a breeze. Every piece that's off the ground feels like finding the ring of power in your cleaning routine. Let's not forget about storage. A place for everything and everything in its place makes it easier to keep counters clean and items free from bathroom buildup. Think vertical with cabinetry all the way to the ceiling, or use open shelving for that curated magazine-ready look. Finally, let's talk lighting. LED mirrors not only ensure you'll never miss a stray hair, but are also energy efficient and fog resistant. That's right, no more playing doodle on the steam every morning. Focus instead on finding your good side. Choosing the right materials and designs can turn your bathroom into a stylish, low-maintenance marvel that serves form and function without demanding constant attention. Because who wouldn't want to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying their beautiful, well-organized sanctuary? This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.